Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make herbal braised vegan hot pot. Hope you like it. This recipe is simple and easy to make. You can cook a lot of ingredients with just one pot. So satisfying. The marinade of tea eggs can be used to marinate white radish, which will taste very good. White radish itself has a light taste and is easy to absorb the taste of the marinade. After being marinated, it will become fragrant and have a soft and glutinous texture. Ingredients: eggs, radish, shiitake mushrooms, bean curd nuts, ginger, traditional tofu, herbal egg seasoning pack. Steam egg for hard-boiled egg, then remove eggshell and set aside. Let's boil herbal soup. The herbal tea seasoning I bought has 2 small packets. We need to use only 1 small packet for this recipe. Add tea bags, boil, then turn down the heat and simmer until the flavor comes out. If you want a stronger flavor, you can add mushroom powder to enhance the flavor. Peel and sliced radish. Sliced braised white radish does taste better because it is easier for the radish to absorb the marinade after slicing, and the flavor is absorbed faster and more evenly. Thin slices also have a softer texture, suitable for pairing with rice or as a side dish. However, the thickness of the slices can be adjusted according to personal preference. If it is too thin, it may be too soft, and if it is too thick, it will absorb the flavor slowly. Cut mushroom into small chunks. Cutting mushrooms into pieces makes them taste better because the pieces can keep the toughness and chewiness of the mushrooms, and they are not easy to fall apart during cooking. Cutting into pieces also allows the mushrooms to absorb the soup better, improving the overall flavor. Remove the traditional tofu from the packaging, pour off the excess water, and cut into cubes. When cutting traditional tofu, the thickness is recommended to be about 1.5 to 2 centimeters, which can maintain the integrity of the tofu and not easily break. Soaking the tofu in salt water for 10 to 15 minutes after cutting can further increase the toughness of the tofu and make it less likely to break during cooking. Sliced or chopped ginger. Adding ginger slices to the marinade can add a warm and spicy aroma while removing the fishy smell and greasiness and improving the overall flavor. Especially when marinating meat or seafood, the addition of ginger can make the marinade more delicious and richer in layers. Drizzle cooking all into pot and stir-fry chopped ginger until release flavor. Sauté ginger has a rich spicy aroma and a slightly sweet taste, which can add a warm flavor and layer of texture to dishes. Add radish and stir-fry. Fried white radish with ginger can not only enhance the aroma of white radish, but also neutralize its coldness, making it suitable for consumption in autumn and winter. The spicy aroma of ginger combined with the sweetness of white radish is both appetizing and aids digestion. It is a healthy and delicious home-cooked dish. Stir-fry mushroom until fragrant, then add in bean curd knots. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black sour sauce to add color, 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Herbal egg soup. Add hard-boiled eggs. Add tofu. Cover the lid, Instant Pot select pressure cook, and cook for 20 minutes. Let's check it out after cooked for 20 minutes. All the ingredients are cooked. If you want a darker color, you may add dark soy sauce. Plate and ready to be served. Plate ingredients separately in a plate looks so much better, and you can also clearly see the ingredients you want to eat. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family. The flavor of the braised shiitake mushrooms is rich and delicious. The mushrooms themselves are full of the aroma of the marinade, and the taste is soft, tender, and juicy. The spices and soy sauce in the marinade give the mushrooms a rich layering, and the salty fragrance has a hint of sweetness, which is very delicious with rice. The taste of marinated bean stalks is light with bean fragrance, and the texture is soft and chewy after absorbing the marinade. The salty and fresh marinade and the natural fragrance of bean stalks are combined, which not only retains the original flavor of bean stalks, but also adds a rich layering. The taste of braised tofu is salty and rich. The tofu absorbs the aroma of the marinade and has a delicate and tender texture. The spices and soy sauce in the marinade give the tofu a rich texture, which melts in the mouth and has a long aftertaste. The taste of tea-cured eggs is salty and fragrant with the fragrance of tea. The egg white is chewy and tasty, and the egg yolk is dense and fragrant. The spices and tea in the marinade give the braised eggs a unique flavor, which is rich in layers and has a long aftertaste. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.